Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for August 30. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner is challenging public relations practitioners to build on the positive images of Jamaica that were broadcast across the world during the London 2012 Olympic Games. The minister revealed this week that media coverage reports suggest that over 1 billion people worldwide were reached with positive news of Jamaica over the period.
Jamaica House O2 coverage between May to August in terms of circulation and audience reach is estimated at 258 million. General Olympic coverage between August 1 and 13 in terms of circulation and audience reach is estimated at over 770 million.
She says the country's communicators now have a unique opportunity to capitalize on the global awareness of Jamaica. The minister adds that she will shortly be inviting public and private sector PR practitioners to Jamaica House as a way to prepare for upcoming international initiatives and also to build internal communications. More than a dozen tertiary students have received financial assistance from Prime Minister Portia Simpson to help fund their education this academic year. The 19 young people who received their checks in a ceremony at Jamaica House Wednesday are among well over 50 youngsters benefiting through an initiative funded from the Prime Minister's discretionary funds. They were selected based on financial need and merit. At the handing over ceremony, the Prime Minister had encouraging words for the young people.
You just be determined to succeed. Don't allow anyone to put you down. Give the best that you can to your education. And never say you can't.
Ground has been broken for the third of 50 basic schools being built through a partnership between Food for the Poor and the government. It's being built on the grounds of the Bogwalk High School in St. Catherine. The new construction is to include an office, sick bay, kitchen, sanitation area, and one large classroom that can be divided into 3 learning spaces.
We don't want to only focus on the building itself. We're also speaking, as I said earlier, to Heart Trust NTA. We're going to be also helping out the teachers to get them to a better level of quality in terms of education so they can teach the students exactly what needs to be done.
Member of Parliament and Sports Minister Natalie Nita Headley, who was also at the groundbreaking ceremony, had a message for the community.
The maintenance of this building, the security of this building, the support to the school, to the teachers, and the parents, this is going to be your responsibility.
The Education Ministry has said JUPEN and the other basic schools are to receive future government assistance in the training of its staff and educational support to students. Several sites in Montego Bay are being considered for upgrading by the Tourism and Entertainment Ministry in tandem with a number of related agencies. Portfolio Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil made the announcement while on a tour of several of the sites this week. Proposed development sites include Bogue Road at the western end of the city, the Montego Bay Civic Center, the Elegant Corridor along the Rose Hall Main Road, and several craft markets. Minister McNeil says the tour was organized to get first-hand information on the proposed projects, which are to be implemented within this financial year. 3 new hemodialysis machines have been added to the renal unit at the Kingston Public Hospital. The Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERHA, bought the machines as well as a reverse osmosis water filtration system for KPH's renal unit at a cost of over $100,000. The equipment was purchased through a grant from the Chase Fund. And finally, the Board of Supervision, responsible for the care of homeless persons, says it's embarking on a number of initiatives to empower Jamaica's homeless population. Persons in homeless shelters have been participating in the rearing of animals, egg and other food production, as well as building their literacy and numeracy skills, among other things.
If we can teach individuals through occupational therapy, which is included in the places of shelter that these individuals are eventually housed in, then that certainly augurs well to empowering these homeless persons to having a skill that they can then remove themselves from their homelessness.
The Board of Supervision is calling for more partnerships with the private sector to assist in its efforts. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.